Understanding BMW Fault Code P0456 Evaporative Emission System Small Leak Detected. This error code indicates a small leak in the evaporative emission system, which is designed to capture and recycle fuel vapors from the fuel tank. Let's dive deeper into the tools you need. How to understand this fault code, what to check, and where to look. Tools required. 1. OBD-II scanner to read and clear fault codes. 2. Gas cap, a replacement if the original is damaged. 3. EVAP smoke machine to detect small leaks in the system. 4. Vacuum gauge to check for vacuum leaks. 5. Digital multimeter to test electrical components. 6. Replacement EVAP hoses in case of cracks or damage. 7. Screwdrivers and pliers for hose removal and replacement. 8. Safety gear, gloves and safety glasses. Understanding the fault code. Fault code P0456 indicates a small leak in the EVAP system. The EVAP system prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. When the system detects a leak, it triggers the P0456 code. Common causes include a loose or damaged gas cap, a cracked or disconnected EVAP hose, or a faulty purge valve. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Check the gas cap. Ensure the gas cap is tightened properly. A loose gas cap can cause the P0456 code. Inspect the gas cap for any cracks or damage. Replace it if necessary. Clear the code using an OBD-II scanner and see if it reappears. 2. Inspect EVAP hoses. Locate the EVAP hoses connected to the fuel tank, charcoal canister, and engine. Inspect the hoses for any cracks, splits, or disconnections. Pay close attention to areas where the hoses connect to other components. Replace any damaged hoses and secure all connections tightly. 3. Use an EVAP smoke machine. Connect the smoke machine to the EVAP system to detect small leaks. Pump smoke into the system and watch for any smoke escaping from the hoses or components. Identify and repair any leaks found during this test. 4. Check the purge valve. Locate the purge valve, typically found near the engine. Test the valve using a digital multimeter to ensure it's functioning properly. If the valve is stuck open or closed, replace it with a new one. 5. Inspect the charcoal canister. Locate the charcoal canister, usually near the fuel tank. Check for any signs of damage or clogging. Replace the canister if it's damaged or clogged. 6. Test the EVAP vent valve. Locate the EVAP vent valve, often near the charcoal canister. Use a digital multimeter to test the valve for proper operation. Replace the valve if it's not functioning correctly. 7. Check for vacuum leaks. Use a vacuum gauge to check for leaks in the EVAP system. Inspect all vacuum hoses and connections. Replace any damaged vacuum hoses. 8. Check the fuel tank. Inspect the fuel tank for any signs of leaks or damage. Ensure the fuel tank is properly sealed. 9. Check the fuel filler neck. Inspect the fuel filler neck for cracks or damage. Ensure it is properly connected to the fuel tank. 10. Test the fuel pressure sensor. Locate the fuel pressure sensor and use a digital multimeter to test it. Replace it if it is not functioning correctly. 11. Inspect the EVAP canister vent solenoid. Locate the vent solenoid and check for proper operation. Replace it if necessary. 12. Check the EVAP system integrity. Perform a comprehensive check of the entire EVAP system to ensure there are no leaks. Repair any detected leaks. 13. Recheck and clear the code. After making all necessary repairs, use the OBD-II scanner to clear the fault code. Drive the vehicle for a few miles to ensure the code does not reappear. Regular maintenance tips. Regularly inspect the gas cap and replace it if it shows signs of wear. Periodically check the EVAP hoses for cracks or damage. Use fuel additives to keep the fuel system clean and prevent clogging. Schedule routine maintenance checks to ensure all components are functioning properly. Conclusion. In summary, the P0456 code indicates a small leak in the evaporative emission system. By following these steps and using the proper tools, you can identify and fix the issue. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to these components can help prevent this problem and keep your BMW running smoothly.